What's the meaning of cavalcade? Cavalcade. Cavalcade.
Cavalcade. Cavalcade. A cavalcade is a procession of people or vehicles, typically with a celebratory or ceremonial purpose. It can also refer to a sequence of events or a succession of things, often in rapid succession. A cavalcade can be grand and impressive, with a lot of pomp and circumstance, or it can be more subdued and restrained. Ultimately, the meaning of cavalcade is one of movement and progress, as a group or series of things advance together towards a common goal or destination.